Two of the biggest names in AI just partnered with Wall Street heavyweights to flood the enterprise market. And we're talking billions of dollars on the table.
Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald.
This is Friday, May 15th, 2026. Anthropic teamed up with Blackstone, Goldman Sachs, and Sequoia to push Claude into mid-sized companies. Meanwhile, OpenAI launched the Deployment Company, a $10 billion joint venture with Bain Capital, Brookfield, and TPG.
Enterprise AI isn't coming, it's already here. Co-founder 2 just launched a platform that lets one person run an entire company using AI agents across engineering, sales, and marketing. There's even an org chart for your bots.
Their goal? Enable the first one-person billion-dollar company. Perplexity Computer is now live in the Microsoft Marketplace and embeds directly into Teams. It can research, build dashboards, and draft documents without ever leaving your chat. You'll need a Pro, Max, or Enterprise Perplexity account to use it. A Google DeepMind researcher just published a paper arguing AI will never be conscious, even after AGI. His key point, simulating consciousness isn't the same as having it. That line went viral with over 1 million views on X. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about PE firms betting on enterprise AI in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.